cathedral flow, holy gold glow. Stand up, stand tall. Let's go. Yeah, hail to the queens with that halo light. Grace in their steps, yeah, they move so right. Strength in the silence, fire in the prayer. Power so divine, make the dark world scared. Pure heart shining like a stained glass sun. Faith in the marrow, yeah, the war's been won. No crown of thorns, just a crown of scars. Heaven in the spirit, never behind bars. Virtue ain't weakness, it's militant calm. Gentle like a whisper, but it hits like a psalm. Carrying the future in a humble embrace. Lioness so with an angelic face. I'm talking sacred, not fragile blast. Built like a fortress, first not last. Every step holy on this cold concrete. Turn pain into purpose, make defeat retreat.
Hail, hail, let the light pour down.
Crowned in grace,
never let it drown.
Pure like the dawn, the sky turns gold. Heart so strong,
Spirit's bold. Hail, hail,
let the heavens sing.
Virtue is power,
but watch it reign supreme. From the dust we rise, unbreakable women.
Sacred fire, we are driven.
She walked through storms, but the storm won't win. Got that calm outside, got that skill within. World try tempt, try bend that spine, but her soul too bright to align divine. Not about noise, not chasing fame. Moves in purpose, never for the game. Every tear turned jewel in the crown. Every setback just leveling up now. Yeah, I seen that faith move mountains aside. Seen that mercy humble the pride. Seen that patience outlast rage. Rewrite history, flip the page. Salute to the mothers, the daughters, the saints. The ones who endure without complaint. Heavenly rhythm in every breath. Life in their words, resurrection from death.
Ooh, we don't break, we elevate. Through every trial we radiate. Hands to the sky, feet on the ground. Lost but in grace, we're always found.
Unleash praise, let the trumpets roar. Sacred revolution at the core. No chains on a spirit heaven designed. Infinite strength in a faithful mind. They tried to dim it, couldn't eclipse. Holy resilience on their lips. Walking miracles in human skin. Where they stand, new worlds begin. So hail the virtue, hail the flame. Hail the women who redefine the game. Not just a title, not just a role.
Hail, hail, let the light pour down.
Crowning grace,
we wear the crown.
Pure like the dawn,
fierce like the sea.
Strong in spirit,
forever free.
Hail, hail, let the heavens sing. Virtue is power, we rise as queens.
From the dust we rise,
unstoppable women.
Sacred fire,
we are driven. Grace in motion,
strength in devotion.
Hail the crown. Hail the crown. Kill the crown.